Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I am getting a haircut. For this I am combing my hair with wooden comb. It has a wide teeth which helps in tangling hair quickly and also minimize breakage. And after combing my hair thoroughly, I am going to tie my hair loosely. Before combing my hair, I have washed my hair properly and let it air dry. Then after rolling it, I am going to tie it with clip. I have put my mask and I'm getting ready to go to the parlor. The parlor was quite nearby, so I thought that I should walk to the parlor. Here I finally reached to the parlor and now I'm getting ready for getting a haircut. So my first step is that they will wet my hair properly and thoroughly. With the help of water spray, she had properly wet my hair. Now we have reached to the second step. In second step, she makes sure that my hairs are properly entangled. She entangled all my tangles from my hair and properly brushed them. She had divided my hairs in two segments and now she is brushing them thoroughly because it will help them to cut my hair properly. Now she took a segment from the center and divide them equally. I have choose the layer cut. My first layer was nearly around the chin length and my second layer was quite long. It was quite closer to my length of hairs. I also want to make sure that my length of hairs remain the same. So finally we have reached to my last step, which was blow dry. So first she was drying my hair properly. So after my hairs get dried, I ask her to set my layers in an inward direction. You can also set your layers or steps in outward direction as well. So my total layers were 3. My first layer was near the chin and second was quite near to the end, and at the end she only did a little bit of trimming. So my total layers will become 3. Actually, you should choose your haircut according to the texture of your hairs. Like my hairs are wavy and more toward the curly side, so I've choose the longer length haircut. But if your hairs are straight, you can choose and you can go for the shorter length haircut. If you are also concerned to make or retain your length of hairs, then you should choose a longer layer haircut. In this kind of haircut, you have to choose your shorter layer, which could be near your nose or chin, and then you can choose a second layer quite near to your length of hairs. Now she is styling my hairs in inward direction with the help of this bristle round brush and blow dry. Right now she is turning my most shortest layer in inward direction, and that's how my haircut look like after blow dryer. Now she is styling my other end of shortest layer. Here you can see the final look of my hairs, and you can notice the two longest layer from behind, like it look like this. My mother also get a haircut, but she only trimmed her hairs from the end a little bit. Then before coming to home, I also get some fries. These fries were quite famous here. So after getting this, now I'm coming back. Here are few pictures and clips in which I have shown my hairstyle. Hope you can see that properly here, that how these style and layers look like. I am so happy that I have get a haircut, and also the length of my hair remain the same, because it is the most important concern for me that my length remains the same. Actually, layer cut gives a little bit of volume and body to your hairs. Like whenever you want to to tie a pony or your other thing, you can get 2 or 3 layers which look quite nice. Hope you have enjoyed this haircut video and you will also extract the useful information which is beneficial for your hairs. And I will see you in my next video, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.